I'm flying my Cessna over here. Just got out of the bathroom. We have everything ready. See, I'm going to this little place for a vacation. It's gonna be a little secret. I'll tell you guys once I get there. Make sure that everything's ready. And I'm gonna be going. I'm gonna open my map really quick so I know everything. There we go. We're going to the taxi. Here's the runway. It's gonna be a pretty easy flight. Gonna be no really bad winds or any bad weather. As I saw before, getting ready. Um, so yeah, we're just going to the taxi towards the runway. Gonna take off to our mystery vacation place, and that's it. I just got my Cessna 182 painted. It was actually blue, so I painted it green. It was a very good choice. I like this new style. So, yep, chassis takes a bit, but it's needed. Can't do anything about it. So, yeah, we have everything set. There's the map and everything. So, yeah. So we're going to be going here, 8-2, right here. There is no other plane here. Oh, somebody's landing. Never mind. That is a unusual. I don't know. He's going pretty fast though. Beautiful landing too. It's pretty cold over here, but where I'm going is gonna be very hot. Plus, we're gonna be very close to the water, which is gonna be great. Also, we're gonna be very close to the city, which we could travel there. I think we are clear for the taxi to the runway. Then we are going to be taking off from here and going to our mystery vacation home. Alright, everything is ready. We're going to be taking off. There we go. All set. We are ready for takeoff. More for I got my suitcase at the back. All controls are ready. Very cold place that I'm leaving, which is perfect because I really don't like to be over here as much. I only came here for a bit of a trip, wasn't planning on really staying here for very long. I'm gonna be cruising at around 1,000 feet. Yeah, we're gonna stop at 1,030 feet, which is great. We were heading exactly where we need to go, so let's hope we get there in one piece. Oh God, that's pretty. Well, now we have to turn this way. Our destination is very close to us, actually. Let me check the map better. Yes, pretty close. Yep. It is turning daytime, which will be great to get there at daytime. It's gonna be a very pleasant 1,000 feet exactly. There's the sun coming up. Beautiful sunset. Everything is clear. The map is clear. Yep. All right. Let's hope that once we get there, we have a good reunion with some of my friends, which I won't be filming since they don't really want to be filmed, but it will be nice to, see the airport and everything. It won't be the best, but it won't be the worst. We're just gonna go straight and see what we got. What is that? I keep seeing that on the side of my... Is that the carrier? That's what I'm guessing. Oh my god. My camera is glitching. Yeah, I think that is the carrier. Pretty cool. I'm gonna turn this way. I'm gonna be landing pretty soon. It's pretty close flight. I mean, if I didn't have a plane, I would probably just took a boat. Would have been a very good boat ride. I mean, it would have been extremely cold over there, and then it would have got hotter over here. Unfortunately, it is raining over here, but hey, it happens, I guess. So we're gonna be landing over here. I think some people might know where, but it just depends on the people who fly or take travel over here. Greater Rockford, it's right over there, but we're not gonna be landing at there. That's a major international airport, so we're gonna actually not be going there. We're gonna be going over here to this very cool airport. I think most people know exactly where I'm going. It's pretty close to the city, only a bridge away, so I'm gonna have a pretty good time. I mean, they're gonna be... I took like a vacation from my job. I know it's a little early, it's still not fully summer, but couldn't wait, you know? So I just did it. And now I'm just heading exactly to where I need to be. There's gonna be a couple trips that I'm going on a boat. I'm gonna be going swimming around, or taking, pictures and stuff, whatever. We're gonna be here in just a bit. Let me just make sure everything is good. The suitcase is everything good. I hear a rattling sound. I don't know what that is, but it's alright, I guess. I'm gonna turn here. Turn a bit over here. Just turn more and more and more. Alright. Let's see. Let's see if we can get this perfectly. We're at 600 feet. you do look down, you may be able to see the water. We're pretty close to the land. We're also going extremely slow. I mean, a Cessna doesn't do very fast. I mean, like, I think max it goes 100 and something. I don't actually possibly, like, I don't know exactly the same amount, but yeah. So we're gonna be landing here. And yes, we're going to be landing on Mailer Airport. We're gonna be having some pretty fun time here at the island of Greater Rock, but let's hope that we can get there in one piece. Because we're about to land doesn't mean that anything bad couldn't happen. It's a pretty nice flight. I mean, the weather is not what I expected. It's very rainy. It's not like a storm. It's nowhere like a storm, but just rain. It is a tropical island, so I'm guessing that it's just normal to rain like this. But I don't know. Let's hope that it doesn't rain all the time, because I'm really not trying to go on a boat while it's raining. I'm not trying to sit. Like, it's gonna be like a boat that, like, you can go on top or you can go inside. I want to go on top. I don't want to stay inside all the time. That wouldn't be really fun. It would be funner to go, like up in the top roof, look outside, enjoy it. Because I don't use a boat. I use a plane, so I don't really do all of that. We're at 100 feet. We are heading on the right direction towards the place that we need to go towards. It's a very weird landing. Why are we landing sideways is my question. Yes, it is. So, somehow, okay. So there we go. Beautiful. Somehow I landed sideways, which was not the idea. Why am I? Oh my god, my plane is out of control. I gotta stop it. Something is going on with my wheels. I don't know exactly what it is. Something is going on with my wheels. I cannot be stopping it. Something is wrong with my wheels, dude. Why are they sliding? Oh my god, don't tell me. Okay, there's nothing in them. Okay, I'm gonna try my best to get there without sliding around. Right here. On with my Cessna. There's no way. I just got it painted. I mean, they could have done something wrong with it. I don't know. I don't know what's going on, but it was sliding while I was landing. I'm pretty sure it actually bumped up a little. I almost took off again. It's like the plane doesn't want to stay here. But I gotta check everything. I don't want for my next flight if I try to land on like an international or something like that. I don't want it to be a place because I can't stop like that, and it's a busy airport. I really just can't stop like that. So this was not the safest, and it will never be the safest. That's nowhere near safe. But I gotta check it. This is not what I expected to be when I got here. I expected for it to be a good, easy landing with no problems, and here I got something is going on with my plane. This is not how I wanted the day to go, but it goes different ways, I guess. We are taxiing to a very far location, if you could say. It's right over here. stop and we're going to wait to see. We're not gonna be stopping those gates. Those gates are not made for us. We're meant to just get off of the plane, not get into a gate. We're just going to be turning right here. Or stop the plane here, so I could check it while, so I could just go in building to see if I can get. I have to pay a fee for parking here. Um, I paid gas, which was around $100 something. I think it was $130 something dollars, and I had to pay. I'm probably gonna have to pay for parking for like I don't know, maybe 50 or something like that. But not very good. I would have to pay a lot. Why is this so greasy? Wait, I think that's why. I think when they were painting it, I'm guessing that because it's like a place where like they add fuel to stuff and like all that stuff. I think a lot of oil got into the tire, which then made the tire really slippery. I think this is on both sides. It's not on this one. It's on the front one and the side one. That's why I was leaning kind of sideways. God, that's great. That's honestly just amazing. Alright, now we're just going to be heading in, and that's it. Um, well, thank you guys for watching the video. Um, it was a very good flight. We will be going to a different place next time. I'm gonna spend a couple days here. Um, maybe take buy some tickets for like stunts, and yeah, I am training to become a pilot for a big plane, one of the seven. I'm trying to become a 747 pilot, but that's a lot. I have a lot of experience flying.